Have you ever tried coding and thought that it is more confusing than solving problems? Or perhaps you sat before a blank display for hours wondering what to do first. Well, I have such power, which might change the way you code forever. Cursor AI. Consider Cursor AI to be your ever-willing coding mentor. It is an AI code writing editor who always has a coding magic wand in hand and knows every programming language and even foresees what you will do next. Be it write code to incorporate or fixing potential errors even before they occur, this AI tool does it all. Picture typing a couple of keys and the whole code line appears to you in a flash. Or how would it be to be able to interactively interpret complex pieces of code? It's like having a coding tutor with you. Now let's get into the good bits. Of the various benefits of Cursor AI, its most defining is its astonishing feature of code completion. It's like the normal autocomplete, but amped up, that proposes the next possible code as you type within your particular context. No more raking your brain over the exact code toad. But wait, where Cursor AI takes it up is also providing brief and relevant descriptions of the codes themselves. So if you find yourself in a position where you try to grasp the meaning of a particular code, you can rely on Cursor AI to rephrase the code into achievable wording. And surely, we do not need to discuss debugging either. Cursor AI can make you go through your code explicitly targeting errors and correcting them to spare you endless hours of headaches. Alright then, this was all very bright. Unfortunately, in this case, not everything is hunky-dory. Like any AI tool and any sort of software, its functionality is not flawless. Most of the time, it may generate a bad code, or it will misinterpret what you want. But that is normal. As they say, the best programmers are also human. They make mistakes too. One dynamic that must also be taken into account is the learning curve. Even though Cursor AI is not that complicated, it is true that there will be a learning stage that will take a while for all its features and functions. But trust me, the time you spend in learning Cursor AI will yield great dividends. So, is Cursor AI suitable for you? Well, it depends on what you want and what you need. If your focus is to find an AI code editor that will allow you to improve your code in a much shorter time, then consider applying Cursor AI. Certainly, there are other amazing AI code editors, which is why it would be best to weigh its pros and cons so that you can find the most suitable tool that complements your productivity. But then if it's the other way round, you want an ergonomic and smart tool, then Cursor AI is definitely worth your time. So there you have it, people. Cursor AI is widely thought of as an AI code editor that makes writing code less time-consuming and easier to learn. Loosely speaking, it is what the mid-curve solutions are about, and most of the players, including you, would want to go up the curve. The most effective way to check out if Cursor AI is right for you is to use it yourself. So go on, give it a test, and find out how it changes the way in which you code.